AirPlay to a Fire TV stick isn't possible out of the box, but a free app fixes that in 2 minutes. Amazon never licensed AirPlay, so Fire OS needs a third-party app to receive it. The best free option is AirScreen. Install it, tap Start, then mirror from your iPhone's control center. Air Receiver costs $2.99 one time. It's more reliable for long sessions and adds Bluetooth audio. Watch out. DRM blocks Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu, which show a black screen when mirrored. Mirror in 2 minutes. Full setup on smarttvs.org.